It's lovely. You can feel the humidity though.
Yeah, definitely.
It's lurking. Yeah. My windows are still open, but I'll get home early enough that I can close them. And it retains the coolness for hours, which is good.
Yeah. Yeah, I usually, on those really hot and humid days, if I keep the windows closed, it doesn't really feel hot or stuff until maybe after 3.
Yes. Yes, I agree. That's usually when I'll shut everything up, turn it on cold for a few hours till the sun sets, and then check it. Okay, the humidity's lifted, or it's cooler, there's a breeze, then I'll open the windows again. Or just leave it. I gotta set up my solar panels. I'm playing with the solar generator. It's quick charge. But if I set up the 4 panels, I can plug the AC unit right into that and do a continual charge and take it off the grid. So I'm not paying Eversource to run my air conditioner. I'm paying the sun. Poor Barb, she never knows what I'm doing. What are you doing? I'm doing an experiment. Don't worry.
I think I passed your house yesterday. Is it a little white ranch house?
Yeah.
Okay, so she across from that orchard.
Yep.
Yeah, because I was going to Essex. Yeah, it looks like a beautiful backyard.
It is. Definitely. I have my chair under one of those huge maples back there, and Dami goes out and chases voles and things.
What is that back up to?
There's like a little river. There's a water inlet right there with lots of really big snapping turtles, huge snapping turtles that come through the yard. I'm like, no, I'm not putting my paddle board in there. I like my feet and legs.
You know what's a nice place to put it? It's Cedar Lake. It's small, but just to kind of paddle around.
And where is that? Like in what town? Chester. Okay, I'll look it up.
Take a left here.
Yeah. Oh, we got a bunny. Come on, bunny. You gotta go where you gotta go. Go on, honey. Don't hang. Good girl. Good baby. Yep. Sure. Sure. I'll get there 2 hours earlier because it'll be my first time setting up my own paddleboard. I usually use Michelle's, and she's so versed in it from doing it all. So she's like, it's blown up and everything's ready to go. Packs the cooler. She was cute yesterday. She's like, Moms, it was like 5 o'clock. I'm making dinner for Barb and I. Come over for a margarita. I'm like, okay, let me just get Barb her dinner. I made her shrimp Alfredo and roasted asparagus. I'm like, here you go. I gotta run. Enjoy. Ran to Michelle. I was only there for like 2 hours. I had 2 small margaritas, coconut margaritas. They were delicious. Hung out on the deck, conversed, and said, I'll see you Saturday, if not sooner. Because she's got to put a long 14-mile run in for training. So I said, well, let me know. We'll meet. And I wanted to tell you, too. Maybe we could do a morning at the airline trail.
What day?
I don't know yet. That's it. So
Wait till it's not so. Yeah. I can't do anything next week.
your sister's coming, right?
Well, no, I have my cataract surgery on Monday.
Oh, my gosh.
She's just taking me to that because I can't drive fast from it. So,
Listen, I'll go clean the paddocks and take care of Minto.
no, he won't like that.
No,
No.
I'm done. When he's done with people, he's
He
done.
doesn't like people at his place. He's funny. Once I was going to
can tell him that Kimber offered.
You'll have to do it, yeah.
Kimber offered, but I told her you would not be happy
I'll
about
still go up there. I just can't lift.
Right. Right. Well, I would be willing, since I'm only
Thank
5
you.
minutes.
Thank you for
Oh, you're
offering.
welcome. I'm only 5 minutes from there. Good morning. If I'm 5 minutes, like I could go over there, clean the paddocks in 5 minutes, put a fly mask on, but I don't want to.
No. I can put the fly mask on and look right here.
Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured that's how he is. He's kind of babyish.
I'm going to have a friend do something for me. No, I don't want people here. Someone's saying that. I don't want people here.
Yeah. Yeah. Very clear. That's not how it is. The only thing that,
Paranoid in a lot.
yeah, the only thing Emily does, she's like, if you're going to have anybody come and ride, or, you know, they have to sign a waiver.
Right.
I get it. I've done it everywhere. I have them myself. It's so laid back there. I'm so grateful for that. Just feeling joy when I'm driving there. Like, oh, I can't wait. I'm going to play with them.
You know, whereas at Richard's right away, you live.
Yeah. He said, oh, what did I do? Except I love this place and I loved you and Minta. And I'm like, this part is perfect. Now, Richard, go away and take all your crap with you. Yes. And I think that was in the
left here.
Oh, we can't go up somebody's. Good morning. Is this where you're serving breakfast today? What? That's not what they told me. But I believe in divine intervention, and I was like, okay, I was meant to come here, meet Jen. Absolutely. Like I said, it was just like when I left Richard's that Thursday or Friday. Like, God, make whatever's supposed to manifest, manifest. I'm not going to go seeking. You show me. Let's. Do they? I wonder if they watered this road. Keep the dust down. Yeah. Yeah. No, it gets on their car and then in the house. You can't. Oh, is this the country club or is somebody? No, somebody lives there. This is beautiful. Camera, are you getting it all? This I love. Yes. No, it's crazy. Oh my. Yep. Slow down. The little guy said to slow down. Oh, they're juveniles. Sorry, boys, it happens, or girls. You get kicked out. Did I tell you about the interview I videoed? I went and videoed for raindrops, they're called. They're essential oils, and you use them on animals and stuff. Did the whole interview, Jen.
Where was that?
In Wyndham. I do the whole interview. I get home, right? I had done, thank God I had filmed her prior. She's a horse speak clinician. So thank God we had done one episode and it came out beautiful, or she would have thought it was crazy, right? I get home, I load it up, And I'm like, what the heck happened to my audio? What the? I don't hear her. And do I have something muted? What is going on? So I take the camera out and I go, there's no audio. I mic'd her and myself, right, with the wireless lapel mics. I never turned them on.
Oh, geez.
Oh yeah, whole hour of filming. It was a beautiful interview. She's flawless because she was a radio disc jockey in California, so she's really good. Hi, I did a big rookie boo-boo. What'd you do? You know how we were mic'd? I never turned them on. I'm like, wasn't meant to be. We'll do it again.
Go back.
Maybe, because I want to see a live demonstration of horse speak, a group. So when I go back to do part 3, I'll film part 2 again at the same time. It'll make for a long day, but who cares? It was funny. I'm like, are you kidding me? I know, right? Let's just go in circles. Can we? Is that like a private driveway that goes down to that house?
Yeah. That's the one that I'm pretty sure
Was hers. That would make more sense. Oh yeah. I would take, like, here's a nice lot right here, and you can put your tiny home on it. Okay.
They wouldn't allow you.
No, I
I mean, I wouldn't have to live in someone's garage.
I know, right? Technically, I do.
Yeah.
It was once a garage. I have to say, though, you'll have to come over. You're always welcome, but Barb and her husband really put care and thought into doing that apartment,
So they have a separate garage and then they have that?
Yeah. Yep. And that's connected to their house.
And who did they build it for? Was it
Her husband's parents, who lived in that beautiful gold house right next to them.
Oh, yeah.
That was all their property.
Wow.
That's
Is
how
that
they...
where Ann grew up?
Yes.